Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the letter B from alphabet lore. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's start off by drawing the shape of the letter. Let's draw a long angled line down on the left. Now from the top, let's curve it over to the right, halfway down, and then one more curve for the bottom. Next, let's move inside and draw the eyes. Let's start by drawing an angled, rounded rectangle like this. Then on the top right, let's draw another one, but longer. Now let's erase those overlapping lines inside. Now inside each eye, let's draw a curve across. And then underneath, towards the top right, let's draw rectangle shapes on both eyes. And then color both of these in black. Next, underneath the eyes, let's draw the nose. Let's start with an angle down, and then back in. And then let's erase that small body line inside on the bottom right. And lastly, let's draw the mouth. Inside, let's draw two lines out to the right. Then a curve at the end to connect them. Now let's continue that line underneath the eye over to the left. And then add two vertical lines inside for the teeth. And that's it for the letter B. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!